We're looking now at an 1864 map of Australia. It was printed during the American Civil War. The imprint is Johnson and Ward, which only appears between 62 and 66, so roughly 3 to 4 years. There are, in fact, numerous variant versions of this map, which I am not entirely convinced have been thoroughly documented cartobibliographically. This one here does depict the Torrens river or basin or hook or lake with the erroneous hook shape, which is only seen between certain years on these maps. I'll flip it over. You can see the reverse. The map has at one point gotten folded. These are soft fold lines here, and they do show slight wrinkling. However, the map still, in our opinion, has a pleasant visual appearance. And because there are so many different variant versions of it, this could well be of interest to someone attempting to collect all of them. And this is currently available online from me, Brian DiMambro.